How to recover Chat GPT password. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel The Solution Guy. So in today's video I will simply guide you on how you can recover your Chat GPT password. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to recover our Chat GPT password, all we have to do is just go ahead and then simply first of all open up our browser and then go to chat.openai.com, as I will also make sure to drop a link. To change our password, we're going to go to the login screen, and then to recover it, first of all we're going to enter the email address on which our Chat GPT account was actually associated with. So let me just go ahead and enter the email address and then just click on continue. So basically it's going to ask me to enter my password, but I don't remember my password, so we're just going to click on the option called forgot password, as you can see over here. And once we click on the option called forgot password, it will ask you to simply confirm your email address over here. So just enter the email address, click on continue, and then it will send a verification link or a reset password link to that email. So whether you're using Gmail, Yahoo, Hotmail or whatever else, just log into your email and then check if you have received a verification link. So as you can see, change password for OpenAI, right? So I'll just click on that option, and then here you'll basically find the option called reset password. All you have to do is just click on this button, and once you click on this button, on the next specific page you simply have to enter the new password that you want to change to, re-enter the new password and then confirm it. Click on the option called reset password and your password will be successfully resetted or recovered if you forgot it. This is how you can recover your Chat GPT password. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.